Greetings, dear friends, and welcome once more to this channel. This is Ken Jerry, your software developer. Today, we are going to be talking about conditional statement in the C programming language. Before we get started, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. So, we are going to start with the if construct in the C programming language. And for the syntax of the if construct, we have the if and then a condition and then the statements to be executed. The statement could be a single statement or a block of statements. For the pseudocode of the if construct, we have if condition, then statement. It could be, as I said, it could be one or more statement. When we are having more statement, we talk about a block of code. So for the pseudocode, this is how we write the pseudocode for the if construct. So for an example, we have this short program that uses the if construct. So we test if the condition is true and then uh, it prints still on here. So the condition here will be if time is strictly less than 12, then print still on here. Equally have the if else construct. For the syntax of the if else construct, we have if condition and then a statement or the block of statement to be executed, and then we have the else part of it. For example, you can see this program where we have declared two a variable x and y, and then in the first part we have if x less than y, strictly less than y, then print x is greater than y, else print y is greater than x. This is a typical example of the if else construct. We equally have the else if construct, which is used when we want to test multiple conditions. For the syntax of the else if construct, we have if condition and then the block of code or the statement to be executed, then the second condition, depending on the number of conditions that you want to implement. So we have the else if, we can have as many else if as needed. And then lastly, we have the else part. So this is the syntax of the else if construct. For an example, you can see we have declared a variable of type integer day. Now in the first part of it, we test if day is strictly equals to 1. If day is equal to 1, then we print today is Monday. The second condition where we implement it using the else if day is equal to 2, print today is Tuesday. And I just made this example short so that you'll be able to see the structure or how the else if is being implemented. So on the last part, we have the else print today is Wednesday. So essentially, the else if construct is used when we have many conditions that need to be tested. Thanks for watching. We are going to do more examples in the subsequent videos.